So here are the materials for the copper lab. Give a quick scan through all of them. And I will name them for you in case you haven't heard of them before. So this little porcelain cup is called a crucible. We're going to be needing that. You need 2 beakers. One of them is half filled with water, an Erlenmeyer flask, a metal spatula, a piece of filter paper with your group's name on it written in permanent marker so it doesn't wash off, a small funnel. When you go to weigh your materials at the weigh station, we have this balance right here, and you should notice that on the left side of the balance it says on 0. Right now it's not set to 0, so make sure you always zero your scale out before you weigh something. To weigh any of the material, we have these 2 things that you'll be weighing. There's the copper carbonate, CuCO3, CuOH2, and this is just some carbon or charcoal. So we are going to be weighing that out, massing it over here on the balance, and you're going to need that weigh paper that you can see those white squares. It's like tracing paper. You're going to want to fold it in quarters before you put anything on it so it doesn't slide off. When it is time to heat things over the open flame, we have this set up over here. There is a ring stand, and you can see on the top of the ring stand there's that little triangle thing. The crucible will fit nicely into that triangle and it will balance right up there. And below the crucible we will have this propane blowtorch set up, and we'll go over safety of lighting and your safety in general later. You can also see these tongs. These are going to be used to move the crucible around safely, and this piece of wire gauze which will put the crucible on to let it cool so it doesn't damage any surfaces. Over here you can see our mortar and pestle. It has a bunch of charcoal left in the bottom of it right now, and we'll be using it to grind the charcoal to a fine powder. In this package, that is what the filter paper looks like before you write your group name on it. So those are the materials. You also need your safety goggles. You don't want to get copper carbonate in your eyes, on your skin, on the lab bench, and you can't pour the charcoal waste down the drain. So see this nice looking beaker labeled charcoal waste? That's where it is going to go. All right.